Good day, this is Joe Tompkins for Lendesk and Finmo. Today we're continuing the series on building a CRM from Finmo with the systems that you're already using in your mortgage business. So for this example today, I'm talking about using Google Workspace, Gmail, calendar, tasks, spreadsheet to build out your CRM system. But today's is primarily focused on I want to send an email to my client when they start an application because I want to set the expectations and I want to make sure that they know the next steps in the process. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So in Finmo, I have started a brand new deal for Mr. Victor Johnson. Perfect. Well, I have already, as in previous videos, shown you how you can, when a client starts an application, you can do a number of different tasks. You can create a spreadsheet row. You can look for a contact and create a contact. And then you can put your internal delay, whether it's 12 hours, 24, 48 hours, to wait to see if the client has submitted it, and then create a calendar event so you can follow up with that deal and then create a draft email coming from your Gmail account. But what I want to do now is I want to add another step to this Zap to set the expectations for my client. So I'm going to go ahead and edit it. I'm going to edit the existing draft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a step right here. I'm going to go ahead and add my step, and I am going to send an email from Gmail. So the action event is send. And then there's my email account. It's already populated for me. Perfect. I'm going to continue. Who is it going to go to? Well, I want it to go to the main borrower. So I'm going to look for main borrower email. There's main borrower email address. Perfect. And do I want to CC anybody? No. Maybe I want to BCC a teammate. So you can do that. So they know that you've reached out. You can definitely do that. From, well, it's coming from my Gmail account. And the from name, let's say Joe Tompkins, mortgage broker. And reply to, no, a subject line. We can put in here, your mortgage application. Plain body type. All right, so now I want to type into here. So I'm going to say, hi. Now I can choose the first name, main borrower first name. There we go. There's a practice deal in there already. So hi, Katie. And what's going to happen is every time you start an application, Zapier is going to reference the deal that was just started. But now I have some pre-done text. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to put it into here. And I'm going to paste that pre-done text. It says, thank you for signing up for my mortgage application. If we haven't yet spoken about your mortgage financing goals, please feel free. Now let's change this. Please reply or book a meeting via my calendar link. So this is where you can go ahead and you can paste in your booking link. So whether you're using Google or a Calendly booking link, put that in there so the client can go ahead and book a 15 or 30-minute meeting with you to discuss the goals. My team and I are always here to help you every step of the way. And you can finish it off with talk to you soon. There we are. Add a signature. Absolutely. I'm going to use my Gmail signature and continue. Now I want to test this step to see what it looks like on an email going to a client. So let's test the step. And now I'm going to go check out what that looks like. All right, let's jump over to my demo email here. There it is, your mortgage application. Hey Katie, thank you for signing up for my mortgage application. If we haven't yet spoken about your mortgage financing goals, please reply or book a meeting via my calendar link. So there it is. My team and I are here to help you every step of the way. Talk to you soon. Perfect. Setting the expectations for what's happening next in your mortgage business is so important, and this does that for you. So now I'm going to go back to Zapier and say, yeah, this looks great. Continue. I don't need to make any more changes on this Zap. Everything else is working just fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish this, and I'm going to call this my version 14. I've made a few edits and publish it. That's how you can easily edit a current Zap or create a new one to send an automatic email when a client starts an application. Thanks for watching.